Hey, John Crestani here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing something a little different, okay? I'm going to be going over affiliate marketing memes, and I'm going to be explaining them because I understand a lot of folks here still don't have a lot of knowledge in affiliate marketing, so maybe understanding even the humor will help you sort of understand the industry and have a little fun. And I'm also going to play, at the end, I'm going to play a really funny video, which has just been a classic kind of funny meme video that was put together years ago, and I'll play that for you. It's pretty funny. So here's the first meme. And it said, what if I told you that you can make money without eBay or Amazon? But basically for years and years and years, all people talked about was eBay or Amazon. And most people really have no idea how they can make money through affiliate marketing because eBay and Amazon are physical products. You're talking about physical products with a box and a bow that gets shipped to your house. People don't understand how affiliate marketing can work. It's like, well, you buy stuff on eBay or Amazon. Where's the affiliate marketing marketplace? So people just, their brains can't comprehend that you can get paid a commission for facilitating a sale, which is kind of funny, which is why it's Morpheus, right? It's like, what if I told you there was a layer beneath, there's a different side of the world, right? There's the Matrix. And we all know that affiliate marketing, it's still selling physical stuff, but you're just getting a commission for being a man in the middle, right? You're just a middleman. I think that's pretty funny because people's minds are blown. Many people don't understand affiliate marketing, but they understand commissions. They understand how you can earn a commission when you sell things, but people don't understand it when it comes to the internet. And some context in this one, because the biggest problem in affiliate marketing is people's own skepticism, right? Whereas here this person is saying, so you think affiliate marketing is a waste of time? Ask your boss if he will give you a $5,000 raise. When they start affiliate marketing, everybody who's ever started really affiliate marketing has generally been met with skepticism on the part of your family or your friends or your wife or your husband or whatever it is, your wife. And everybody says, oh, it's a waste of time. You're just clicking buttons on the internet, right? Just clicking buttons. But everyone knows you're not getting rich through a job. You're not getting rich through a job, okay? Unless you live in San Francisco and you got stock options and you are the best at what you do. But most people aren't going to move to San Francisco. Most of you live somewhere else and you like living somewhere else. So let's go over to this next meme, okay? One does not simply get to the top of Google, or however he says it. Well, I think this is the Mordor. One does not simply walk into Mordor. Lord of the Rings. Yeah, that's where this is from. So why is this supposed to be funny? Okay, why? Well, the reason this is supposed to be funny is because it's like you don't just get to the top of Google. People say, oh, you want free traffic? Right, I talk about free traffic. And the way that most people got free traffic for years, or the most widely talked about way to get free traffic, was just to rank on the top of Google. Billions of searches are done on Google every single day. So just get to the top of Google and you'll get a ton of traffic for certain keywords. But you don't simply get there, right? It takes months and months and months and months. And you're doing analysis and analysis and analysis and link analysis and all these different things. Right? The optimization, the tags, the structure, the load times. You're just looking at all these different data points and you're spending a lot of time doing it. It isn't a simple process. It's not like you just get there, right? Free traffic, people have always wanted free traffic. Free traffic is always the most competitive, okay? Getting to the top of Google is, seemingly the easiest way to get lots of money and lots of sales, lots of money without having to know any marketing either. Because really, SEO, getting to the top of Google, you don't need to know much marketing. It's just a process. Whereas some of the things I teach, such as direct messaging techniques and forum comments and all that stuff, yes, there is a technical component to it because there's message limits, but it's not, it's more marketing focused. Let's go to the next one. Online money making courses summary. 1. It says, 1. drop shipping, right? 2, affiliate. And then 3, get a job, okay? So those are basically the 3. The joke here is that there really isn't anything other than like drop shipping, affiliate, and getting a job. You know, you could say drop shipping / Amazon. That's really it. You know, some people have been talking about new business models recently, such as starting a social media marketing agency or doing consulting, but those aren't really options for many of you. I know, you know, many of the folks that are watching this channel, I know are not necessarily, you know, slick enough to become consultants, you know, where you're getting clients and you're doing sales over the phone, and really consulting and starting a social media marketing agency. Those are not for introverts, right? Those are for people who like doing sales, who like doing marketing, who are going to get out there and do stuff like that. Not people who don't want to have the pressure of waking up and having to make a sale. You know, that's the appeal of making money online, I would say, in its purest form, is that you can be an introvert. You don't have to get up every day and interact with people and make a sale. Really, you don't, because it's all based off of selling a physical product or, you know, posting some links. It's all online work. Let's go to the next one. When you have a meme blog, so this is sort of like a self-conscious joke. When you have a meme blog, but sprinkling in affiliate links throughout the page for extra cash. So you're just sprinkling on, it's a little flourish, right? That's kind of what they're making fun of here. It's a little flourish of some extra spice. And in this case, it's extra money. So affiliate marketing is just a way to make extra money, no matter what market you're in. And he's making fun of the fact that he has a meme blog and he's saying, I'm gonna put in some extra affiliate links because it's just a almost guaranteed extra money source. Right? He's saying, I'm gonna promote some, you know, make money online products, some testosterone boosters, and, you know, he's using really aggressive products. Here's a good one. Okay. So online affiliate, and these are sort of interesting. What my friends think I do, which is used car salesman. It's a picture of a used car salesman, because essentially what we're doing out there is we are used car salesmen. We are online salesmen. We're out there selling stuff. People didn't necessarily want to buy it, but we're gonna sell it to them. We're gonna push it on them, right? So that's used car salespeople are known for heavy sales tactics and getting people to make a decision purchase before they necessarily wanted to make that decision purchase. So what Google thinks you do, which is showing a hacker, right? Because a lot of times affiliates are kind of having to work in that gray area in between where, you know, Google doesn't want you pressure selling people. Google doesn't want you putting up pop-up ads, or Google doesn't want you putting up autoplay videos. Google doesn't want you ranking at the top of Google within 5 days. So a lot of times, you know, Google doesn't always like affiliates, right? Because we're trying to get their traffic for free, or we're trying to get more aggressive ads approved. What my wife thinks I do, I can parrot this, because we're working at home, right? We're always at home. We can sleep in. I sleep in. My wife hates it. My wife hates it so much that I sleep in. I say, I can sleep in. I'm gonna sleep in. She said, you should be up, you know, at a certain time. You should maintain a schedule. I don't maintain a schedule. I'm up whenever I want to be up. What brands think I do, a lot of the guys who work in marketing agencies, they see affiliate marketers, they see them having a lot of money, they see them having a lot of time, and they're jealous. What I thought I was gonna do, and this is a yacht, right? This is a yacht. I think that's like Leonardo DiCaprio or something. That's what I thought I was going to do. I started affiliate marketing because I wanted to become a ski bum. And this is the reality. What I really do. What I actually do. And it's a guy working on 4 different computer monitors. And that is actually what my real life is. I work a lot. I work probably about 16 hours a day, every day, 5 days a week. And I have quite a few computer monitors, if you can see right there. So I don't know if you can zoom in. So I have 5 computer monitors right there. Big thing. I have a laptop, another laptop. That's where I work. Here's another one. What my neighbors think I do, nobody knows what affiliate marketing is, right? Everybody has a hard time like explaining it to their neighbors and friends. What my friends think I do, again, most people don't know what affiliate marketing is. Most people just have a hard time conceptualizing it. What my mother thinks I do, once again, people have a hard time conceptualizing it. What newbies think I do, so everyone here on this channel just thinks, wow, he's sitting back laughing at how much money he's making. What I think I do, I just think I'm sitting back laughing at how much money I'm making. I'm so cool. And I think part of that reason is because when you start learning how to make money online, it's very empowering. It's very empowering. But what I really do, again, it's working all the time. But the reality of the situation is hard work. Hard work. Then I'll play this old meme at the end. Folks, let me know in the comments if you like me mixing it up from time to time. I'm gonna try to mix it up moving forward, keep things fresh, keep things fun. Let me know what your thought is. Say mix it up in the comments, or say stick to the free traffic methods, John. I just want more free traffic. There aren't any more free traffic. I went over all of them. Everything else is a variation of what you've already seen. But if that's what you see, I can manufacture up some crap. Right? But I don't think that's a good long-term strategy. I believe you'd agree with me that you don't want me just manufacturing up crap for you. So let me know. Just let me know if you'd like me to mix it up, or let me know if you'd like to see more of, affiliate network walkthroughs, or, ad network analysis, etc. Again, I will take all ideas into consideration, and I will test them. I'll put up videos, and I'll, kind of see what you guys are interested in. I'm always excited to teach about marketing. But once again, there's only so many free traffic methods. So I can't just, if I just created fake ones, I'm sure I would lose your trust, right? So let me know in the comments, subscribe, like. If you love affiliate marketing, I'm just gonna be doing affiliate marketing videos every single day. Even if I run out of topics, I'll figure something out. I'm gonna go every single day, at least to the end of this year, because I'm committed to teaching you. So let me know what I can teach you. I'm committed to doing videos every single day. Talk to you soon. Let's have fun. If you want my free traffic videos, links are in the comments. If you want my affiliate network walkthroughs, links are in the comments. Ad network videos, links are in the comments. Love talking to you. Talk to you tomorrow. Have a good one.